Hello friends, I am Ajmin Pradhan from MacWP Support, and in this video we're going to look at how to do the speed optimization of a WordPress website so that the website can rank on Google. So without wasting any more time, let's get started and dive into the video. First of all, before I start doing all the procedure, I would like to show you before speed optimization and after speed optimization report so that you can have a better understanding that what we are going to learn and achieve throughout this video. So this is the before speed optimization report. You can see that the page speed score is 0, while slow score is 76, fully loaded time is 5.1 second, total page size is 17.8 MB megabyte, and requester 43. Now let's look the after speed optimization report. You can see the page speed score is 95, voice slow score is 88, fully loaded time is 4.3 second, total page size is 421 KB, requests are 26. So you can see the difference. So these are the things what we are going to achieve throughout this video. So let's get started. First of all, to optimize a website, we must know the issues which are blocking the website speed, right? To identify the issues, we can use so many tools such as Google Page Speed and tools.pingdom.com and GTmetrix. Personally, I prefer GTmetrix just because I like the user interface of GTmetrix and I'm quite familiar with it. So I am going to use GTmetrix in this video. So let me show you. Just open up your browser and type GTmetrix, GTmetrix.com. The user interface is quite simple. You don't need to do anything else. You don't need to touch any single option. Just come to the website, type your website URL and analyze the issues and analyze every single things. So we are going to type the website URL here and click on test your site. It will take a bit time. We have to wait a few seconds here. Okay, analyze page speed. Okay. So here is the report. So you can see the report. There are a few issues which can be fixed, and after fixing up these issues, the website speed will be improved as well. So in the page speed tab, there are almost 4 issues such as SERP scaled images, leprous browser caching, avoid bad requests, deferred parsing of JavaScript. And in voice loss tab, we have 4 issues as well. Add expert headers, use a content delivery network which is CDN. We can go Cloudflare for that. I'll talk about this later. Make fewer HTTP requests. combining CSS and JavaScript file into one, so that it make less HTTP requests. After that, avoid 404 not found error. So these are the issues we need to fix, and I'm going to do it in this video. So let's do it. To fix all these issues, first of all, you have to log into your dashboard of your WordPress website. So first of all, I'm going to fix the first one of page speed tab. The first issue, serve scaled images, and to do that, I'm going to use a plugin called Smash. So we have to click on plugins and click on add new. We have to search for Smash. I'm sorry for those ads. Actually, I'm making this video as a tutorial purpose, so I'm using my free hosting account. Anyways, it's not about freemium or free or premium hosting. It's about what I want to teach you, or what you are going to learn. Anyways, so here is the plugin. I have already installed and activated this. Since you are watching the video of speed optimization, I definitely think that you are able to install and activate a plugin. It's not that easy. Just you will have a button like install now. After the installation is completed, there will be a button called activate. That's it. You don't need to do anything else. So after installing and activating this plugin, on the left side of the dashboard, there will be a new menu called Smash. Just click on that. Once again, the ads. So first of all, we have to configure this plugin. To configure this plugin, just click on begin setup. Just click on next. I'll explain those things later, don't worry about it. Do not give the permissions here, it's up to you. Let me explain this one. It want to track the user experience record, so I do not prefer to turn on this one, but if you want to send them the records and track your user experience, you can do that. It's up to you. So now finish setup wizard. It will check the images automatically. Those images need to be fixed. So as you can see that Mac, which is my username, you have 12 attachments that need to be smashing, which means I have 12 attachment need to be optimized. 12 attachment means images need to be optimized. So I'm going to do that right now, but before I do that, I would like to show you something, which is optimized images. Smash is also used for this one. If we use Smash, the serve scaled images issue and the optimizing images issue will be fixed together. So I'm going to smash all these images. Smash means optimize those images. So if you have an issue only for optimizing images on your website or anywhere else, you can use Smash as well for optimizing images. It's a great tool, great plugin for optimizing images or doing anything with images. So I'm going to click on bulk Smash now. It will start optimizing images. So there might be multiple or huge number of images on your website. In that case you have to go for the pro version, uh, which is much better, than the free version. You will have the CDN access, you will have the so many tools access, so it's great. If you have if you don't have any kind of budget issue, I'll definitely I'll tell you that just go for Smash premium version. It's just awesome tool. Okay, as you can see that bulk smash the text images can be optimized and allows compress them in bulk, and all attachment have been smashed. Awesome. So it's showing that all the images which needed to be optimized, now those images are optimized. So let's check the current status of our website, current score. Let's see what it shows. As you can see, the page speed score is 89, which is a dramatical change. Just using a simple plugin, from score 0 the score came to 89, which is a dramatical change. So, and as you can see, we do not have any issues with optimizing images. Sorry, not this one. Optimize images. The score is 99 here, and the score is 100. Recommendation. So those self-scaled images, score is 100. You can see the changes, right? So now let's move on to the next issues, which is leverage browser caching. There are so many plugins out there to fix these issues, but I do not recommend personally to use plugins for a single issue to be fixed. You can use W3 total cache for all these optimizations, but for this single reason I will not recommend you to use W3 total cache. There are so many things you can do with W3 total cache. I'll talk about that plugin in another video, but for now I'm not going to touch the topic of total cache plugins or W3 total cache. For now I'm going to just fix this single issue, leverage browser caching. So for that we have to log into our cPanel. I'm using 000webhost.com, which is a free web hosting. So just wait a few minutes, a few seconds. Okay, so we have to go to our file manager of our hosting. We have to edit the htaccess file. You can see that here is the htaccess file, but before I edit this file I would like to tell you something about this. If you have a cPanel account or any other hosting accounts, sometime htaccess files are normally hidden, so you have to click the option of show hidden files or something like that. So you have to basically visible this file, and after you can edit this. First of all, you will go to if the file is hidden, you will log into your cPanel, go through your file manager. You will not have that file if it's hidden. So don't panic, just look around, you will have that file. After that, just edit this. So click on edit. Oh shit, so this is automatically logged out. Anyways, until it log in once again, let me show you the code I am going to implement on the htaccess file. So this is the code I am going to write, or I'm going to write on htaccess file. So I'm copying this code and editing htaccess file, pasting this. In case you want to leave a comment on the htaccess file, you can do it. Just before you write anything, give it a hash. Just write a hash and write anything whatever you want. Leverage browser caching, browser caching. I'm not going to write anything for now. Okay, 7 close. Let's check it once again, it's written or not. Yes, that's written. Now let's retest and see what's the current status now. I'm telling you once again, you can use Google Page Speed and other tools, other premium tools as well. It's up to you which one you prefer. It's up to your choices. It vary. I'm personally familiar with GTmetrix, that's why I use this. Okay, now just look at this. The score was 89 and now it's 94, and voice load score is 85 now. Fully loaded time is 3.3 seconds. Total page size is 467 kilobyte and requests are 31. Now let's fix the issues of default JavaScript, but before I fix this issue, I'd like to go to voice loss tab and fix. Now you might be wondering that I have added the htaccess file and still why the issues left. Add expiry headers, why the issues is still on and it's stuck on 78%. Why it's not increasing? Just because there is two static components. What does what it means? Two static components means that you can see that it's Google Fonts, right? The two static components, which is loading from another website, causing the issue of rest of the percentage of add expiry headers. So for now we can leave it. If you are familiar with CSS, you can manually call them, manually download those fonts files and manually call them on your browser, on your theme or CSS files or styles. So now let's leave this add expiry headers and work on make fewer HTTP requests. So I'm going to fix two issues together, and that is make a fewer HTTP requests. No, not this one. Make a fewer HTTP requests. For now, I'm going to fix that. To fix this issue, we have to install another plugin. All these things we are doing, we can do it using PHP tweaks. All those plugins are written on PHP language, right? So we can do that manually, but it will take a drastical time, humongous amount of time. So that is why I'm not going to do that for now. we will have to auto optimize this plugin. Auto optimize. We have to search for auto optimize. Remember, it's not auto optimize, it's auto optimize. You have to install that plugin. Like previously I said, you have to just install and active this plugin. I have already installed this, so I'm going to active this plugin for now. No, it's activated. I don't need to activate. Just so after activating this plugin, underneath the settings option you will have the auto optimize. Just click on that, so you will have the options. So first of all, just you don't need to do a huge things. Just click on optimize JavaScript code, then scroll down, click on optimize CSS code. Now scroll down and click on optimize HTML code, and just click save changes and empty cache. That's cache, not cache. Anyways, now let's see the performance once again. As you can see, the score is 95 and voice low score is 88. Fully loaded time is 4 seconds. Total page is size is 425 kilobyte, requested 26, and also differ words of JavaScript. The issues is also gone. Now just only one issue left, which is user content delivery network. For that, I'll have to make a separate video using CDN such as Key CDN, Max CDN, Cloudflare. As a free service, we are going to use Cloudflare in the next video, but for now we are not going to touch anything else. Just I had to show you that how can you optimize your WordPress website so that you can have a basic idea and knowledge. You can search for those issues. Just copy the line and search on Google. If you stuck somewhere or don't understand a few things, then you can search it on Google. You will have the solution. In case even though you don't understand that, you can ask me. I'll always try to reach you as soon as I can, and I always try my best to solve your problems. In case you are not comfortable doing comments, you can contact me with my email address. By my email address, I'll put that on this video description. Just feel free to ask me your questions or queries. I'll be happy to reach you. Honestly, I'll be happy to reach you. Now in the next video or following video, I will integrate CDN on this website, but let me tell you, before I integrate CDN, I must have a domain name registered. This is extremely important. I must have a domain name registered if we want to use Cloudflare. Remember, if we want to use Cloudflare, we must have to use our domain name for our website. In case we don't want to use a domain name registered, we cannot use the free service of Cloudflare. Then we have to go for the premium key CDN such as Key CDN, Max CDN, something like that. So I think you have an idea how things work, how to optimize the website. So till then, I show you how to integrate a domain how to integrate CDN and registered domain. Till then, just try to fix these things. If you can, I'll be honored that I have shown you these things and you have done. Feel free to ask me your questions, and I'll just try to reach you as soon as I can. So for now, I will say bye, and I hope I will catch you in the next video. Till then, take care.